When your businesses need control and automation solutions for world-class manufacturing, efficient production, and Industry 4.0 technology support, look forward to Pyrotech. Since our operation began in 1976, we have been driving the progress of physical world and thus creating value for our customers.
We were a group of 4 technocrats who joined hands together and started Pyrotech in 1976.
We are ready to accept the challenges and the new product development. The management is ready to implement those ideas and make it as a product.
Quality standards in our products give very high confidence to our customers.
Right from the beginning, under the brand of Pyrotech, our aim was to doing value additions for our customers.
Pyrotech Group is a renowned and a household name for over 4 decades and is one of the most trusted brands in India, today amongst a few sources, and an industry leader for controlled and automation solutions for both national and international markets. We are branded manufacturer of panels, enclosures, junction boxes, video wall, and prominent integrator for renowned OEMs and serving various sectors. Pyrotech has grown to become one of the most highly regarded companies among our customers and competitors. Our major success factor for our growth is the way we select, train, organize, and motivate our people. Our customized training programs continuously help employees to acquire knowledge and skills. Pyrotech celebrates 4 decades of its industrial endeavor, business excellence, and long-term value generation through superior financial performance, while operating responsibly and with integrity, honoring ethical values to create a global benchmark, and to really partner in the growth of our stakeholders by offering solutions that satisfy all of their demands. In order to produce products with highest prescribed standards, Pyrotech also designs, manufactures, supplies solutions by using unique modular technology. Alcozy 20x30. All processes are done in-house, which is unique to the industry in the country, as no other panel manufacturing company has all such facilities under one roof. Today, Pyrotech is ready to cater to the global shift towards industrial, infrastructure, and smart city projects. More than 600 professionals are committed to develop value-added, innovative, faster, and tailor-made solutions to the industries. We are a customized manufacturer of around 400 different types of products with the capacity to process more than 25,000 units per annum. The strategic goal pursued by Pyrotech is to retain a leading position to deliver excellence in engineering products, services, and state-of-the-art solution in the most innovative and cost-effective ways. Our products are preferred by many market players. All products are subject to 32 stringent tests as required by various standards and applications. All it is done to deliver excellent engineering products all over the world. but our strength comes from our innovative technology. We provide complete in-house engineering solutions, working together seamlessly to handle all projects from a single prototype to fully finished and assembled products. We take pride in our legacy and our zeal to deploy better engineering and our innovative manufacturing processes to ensure customer-first approach to technology. But our true success comes from our dedicated men and women. Our people, their hard work and new ideas motivate us to develop the products of future.
We are proud to be a part of Pyrotech Group, and Pyrotech Group is proud to be a part of e-governance program of Rajasthan government. We have installed more than 10,000 locations of Rajasthan at all Atal Seva Kendra. We have to accomplish this project in 150 days, which was really a very massive task for us.
We are doing a lot of indigenization as per the Make in India policies of the government. We are doing a lot of projects for ISR also. We are doing metros also. We are doing Nagpur. We have done for DMRC, Delhi Metro. We have done for Kochi Metro also. The proud feeling we have that we are doing such projects for the country.
All our 8 factories, we have about 3,500 strong laborers and employees. We don't have any labor union, and we have not lost a single man day on account of strike for last 25 to 26 years.
On behalf of Pyrotech team and Pyrotech management, we not only focus on customer satisfaction but also on customer delight.
We also take a bigger responsibility as a corporate citizen and relay its essence by contributing to the social development and for a better community, country and world. Pyrotech is a one-stop solution for all your industrial, infrastructure and smart city projects related solutions.